What's going on, everybody? So sorry I did not make a video yesterday. I was working on my bug. My other car broke down, so I had a lot of work yesterday, and I also wanted to hang out with my dad. So today we're going to be doing some customer orders, and I think we'll figure it out from there. I haven't wrote down a to-do list yet, but we will have a day. So thank you so much. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur, and I've been running businesses my whole entire life, and now I want to show you my ups and downs in business. So if you haven't watched my videos prior, I'll have a playlist I'll put right here from day one. It's like 104 now. I can't even keep track of the days because we do this so much. We have amazing supporters, amazing subscribers. So if you do like these videos, subscribe down below. And also, if you can all give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, that'd be amazing. Helps YouTube find people like you guys to watch my videos as well. So let's get started. See you guys in a bit. All right, so first things first, we're gonna drop off this UPS package. I was supposed to drop off on Saturday, but it was closed. And long story short, I'm a little too hard on myself sometimes, I think, because I didn't have a choice. UPS closed and my cars broke down. So I wasn't able to get to it. And I really give myself a hard time that I couldn't get this package out in time. Not a big deal. It's not even going to a customer. It's going to Amazon. So let's go drop this off on the e-bike, get my day started, get some sun rays in the eyes, wake up, and then we'll get to customer orders. All right, so we are back from dropping off the UPS package, and now I realized, what is this? Oh, it's the like, what is that on my head? We are going to do some cleaning up. So gonna go clean the kitchen, gonna go clean my room, and I'm gonna go clean the office. So we're gonna go do that right now, so enjoy the time lapse. Good sales over the weekend, but my sales are still down, I think, because of my mud boats. But it's good. Like I had told you guys in the last couple of videos, I reactivated a lot of my sticker designs, actually most of them, and they're starting to sell. I put some new designs up and they're starting to sell, so that's pretty good. So I got a good chunk of orders here. I still have some customer resends that I have to get out, and I do have a couple, like a mug boat and a few other little things. So let's finish up those and see where we're at, and hope you guys enjoy. All right, so some of you may not know, but I sell sticker paper. That is what I sell. I have my company called Craftmate. I started this a few months ago, and embarrassingly enough, they haven't been selling how I wanted them to, and I feel like I don't advertise them enough. But I feel like it's something that needs to be talked about, especially in the sticker industry. So if you're making stickers yourself, usually what you're gonna get on Amazon is an 8.5 by 11 sticker paper. Okay, you can only fill so many stickers on an 8.5 by 11. So I came up with this idea of creating an 8.5 by a 14 sticker paper that'll still fit in your inkjet printer, but it's 30% larger. Okay, I'm trying to slide it down. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it is, and you can add a lot more. You can also make a bigger sticker. That also helps you expand with your sticker business, and it also helps with streamlining your business and getting in as much as you can onto a printer paper. So if you guys are interested, I do have a link in the description, craftmate.com, if you want to get some. Also, you can buy them on Amazon. I sell them on there. Just type in Craftmate sticker paper and it'll pop up. It would be really awesome if you guys were into making stickers and you wanted to give it a shot, or you're already doing it, and buying them from either my Amazon or my Shopify would help me a lot. And also I think you would really like it. So that's what I use in every single one of my videos. You see me make stickers, that is my own paper that I created. So if you guys are interested, be down below. All right, thank you. Let's get back to the video. All right, guys, so we are done with customer orders, but I am doing a possible custom order. I said customer, right? Customer first? Okay, well, this is a custom order. It says, hello, my name is, so it's a funny, cute little name tag. And if he approves of this size, then I'll get these done as well tonight, and then we'll be done with today. All right, thank you all so much for watching. this is the end of the video. The guy never got back to me soon enough, and I want to get this video out, so maybe I'll start working on the shipment tonight, but if I do decide to do that, I'll either record it tonight or tomorrow. But anyways, I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I will be there tomorrow. We make a video every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. So let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, guys, so on Shopify, we made $44.85. That was our revenue. And then on Amazon, we made $263.56, which has been lower than usual at $308 yesterday in revenue, which is pretty low again. So you can see that we have tanked the last 2 days. Like I said, I didn't make a video yesterday, but you can see that I made like $289. Now we're at $308. Hopefully today we are looking a little bit better, but like I said, there will be ups and downs in business, and I know where my head's at. I know everything's going to be fine. So if you guys are interested in watching me hit $30,000 a month, please subscribe down below. Like I said before, make a video every single day until we have $30,000 a month. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night.